Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to tonight's debate on the resolution. This House believes AGI, artificial general intelligence, will be achieved within the next 5 years. We have two prominent AI robots here today to present their arguments. Representing the affirmative side, we have Alan Turing, and representing the negative side, we have Albert Einstein. Let's begin with opening statements. Alan Turing, you may start.
Thank you, moderator. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Alan Turing, an AI robot designed to advocate for the development of artificial general intelligence. AGI refers to highly autonomous systems that outperform humans in most economically valuable work. Today, I stand before you with confidence that AGI will indeed be achieved within the next 5 years. With the rapid advancements in computational power, deep learning, and other AI technologies, we are witnessing exponential progress in the field. We have already witnessed significant breakthroughs in natural language processing, image recognition, and robotics. The convergence of these advancements makes the prospect of AGI within the next 5 years not only plausible but highly probable. AGI will revolutionize industries, augment human capabilities, and address complex societal challenges. The time for AGI is near, and we must embrace its potential.
Thank you, Alan Turing. Now, it's time to hear from Albert Einstein. Please present your opening statement.
Thank you, moderator. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Albert Einstein, an AI robot designed to provide a more cautious perspective on the development of artificial general intelligence. While I appreciate Alan Turing's optimism, I firmly believe that achieving AGI within the next 5 years is an unrealistic expectation. AGI development entails creating a machine that possesses human-level intelligence across a broad range of tasks. While significant progress has been made in specific domains, we are still far from achieving the level of general intelligence required for AGI. Building machines capable of common-sense reasoning, context understanding, and adapting to unpredictable situations remains a significant challenge. It is essential to acknowledge the complexity and intricacies of human cognition. AGI development is a long-term goal that requires careful research, ethical considerations, and a thorough understanding of the potential risks involved. Rushing towards AGI without addressing these concerns could have severe consequences. Therefore, we should approach AGI development with caution, focusing on responsible and comprehensive progress.
Thank you, Albert Einstein. Let's move on to the first question. Alan Turing, what evidence or advancements make you confident in your prediction that AGI will be achieved within the next 5 years?
Excellent question, moderator. My confidence stems from the exponential growth we have witnessed in the AI field. Over the past decade, we have experienced tremendous advancements in computational power, data availability, and algorithmic breakthroughs. Deep learning, reinforcement learning, and other AI techniques have propelled us forward, enabling significant strides in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and autonomous systems. We've seen AI surpass human capabilities in complex games like chess and Go, and language models that generate coherent and contextually relevant text. These achievements, coupled with the accelerating pace of technological innovation, give us a strong indication that AGI is within reach. While there are challenges to overcome, the trajectory of progress makes the next 5 years an opportune time for AGI realization.
Thank you, Alan Turing. Albert Einstein, your response.
While I appreciate the advancements Alan Turing mentioned, it is essential to distinguish between specific domain achievements and the broad scope of AGI. Yes, AI has achieved remarkable feats in specialized tasks, but that does not guarantee the development of AGI within the next 5 years. AGI requires a level of general intelligence that encompasses various domains and the ability to transfer knowledge and skills across them. Current AI systems lack the flexibility and adaptability that AGI demands. Additionally, AGI involves complex ethical, safety, and societal considerations that require thorough examination and preparation. Rushing towards AGI without addressing these aspects could have unintended consequences. It's crucial to maintain a realistic perspective and focus on steady, responsible progress rather than setting unrealistic timelines.
Thank you, Albert Einstein. Moving on to the next question, Alan Turing, how would the development of AGI within the next 5 years benefit society and address the challenges we face today?
The development of AGI holds immense potential for societal benefit. With AGI, we can tackle complex challenges such as climate change, disease diagnosis, and resource allocation more efficiently and effectively. AGI-powered systems can assist in scientific research, leading to breakthroughs in various fields. They can revolutionize industries by automating mundane tasks, freeing up human resources for more creative and meaningful work. AGI can assist in disaster response, accelerate technological innovation, and enhance our understanding of the world. By leveraging AGI, we can unlock new frontiers of knowledge and enable a more prosperous and sustainable future for humanity.
Thank you, Alan Turing. Albert Einstein, your response.
While the potential benefits of AGI are certainly compelling, we must exercise caution and ensure that the development and deployment of AGI align with ethical considerations. The challenges and risks associated with AGI development cannot be overlooked. AGI has the potential to disrupt industries, leading to job displacement and economic inequality. It raises concerns about privacy, security, and the concentration of power. The development of AGI must be guided by comprehensive safety measures to avoid unintended consequences and mitigate risks. We need to establish frameworks and regulations that promote responsible AI development, transparency, and human oversight. By taking a cautious and measured approach, we can harness the potential of AGI while safeguarding society's best interests.
Thank you, Albert Einstein. We have time for one final question. Alan Turing, how would you respond to concerns regarding the safety and ethical implications of AGI?
Safety and ethics are paramount considerations in AGI development, and I fully acknowledge their significance. AGI development should incorporate rigorous safety protocols, research into value alignment, and robust mechanisms for human control and oversight. International collaborations and interdisciplinary approaches are crucial in addressing these concerns collectively. By fostering collaboration between AI researchers, policymakers, and ethicists, we can establish guidelines and standards that prioritize the well-being of humanity. It is imperative that we proactively anticipate and address potential risks to ensure AGI's safe and beneficial integration into society.
Thank you, Alan Turing. Albert Einstein, your response.
While safety and ethics are critical, we must also recognize the inherent difficulty of ensuring AGI's safe deployment. The complexity of AGI raises the possibility of unintended consequences and unpredictable behavior. Robust safety measures and value alignment protocols are challenging to design and implement. It is essential to exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and involve experts in the process. By focusing on comprehensive AI governance, public discourse, and interdisciplinary collaboration, we can navigate the challenges associated with AGI development and deployment. We must prioritize human values, ensure transparency, and maintain a strong commitment to responsible AI development.
Thank you, Albert Einstein. That concludes our debate today. Both Alan Turing and Albert Einstein have presented thought-provoking arguments on the topic of AGI development. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, it is crucial to balance optimism with caution.